Hi guys, what's up? My name is Marcos Reyes and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, our professor instruct us to make a flip card model which is para ma-track namin yung progress namin sa aming mga lessons na tinakil niya. Like for example, dito sa flip card na to, kami yung nagawa ng questions which is i-answer namin to day by day, consecutive days para ma-master namin yung lessons. Dahil dito sa flip card na to, sa likod niya merong answer. So, day by day, dapat masagutan na namin to lahat ng flip card. Dapat alam namin ang sagot niya para ma-master namin yung lessons. So this is my first day. So, let's start. So, first is, what strength or the key advantage of Agile in handling changing requirements? So, my answer would be, I don't know. So, the correct answer is flexibility. So, next question is, what Agile methodology uses a visual board to track progress? Hindi ko din alam. So, the correct answer is Kanban. Next question is, what model is best for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal changes? So, my answer is Agile model. But correct answer is waterfall. Next question. In the waterfall model, which phase involves verifying that all components work together? Requirement analysis. No. The correct answer is integration and testing phase. Wala pa akong tamang sagot. So next, in terms of approach, what model is sequential and structured? Sequential and structured is waterfall model. The correct answer is waterfall model. I'm checked. Next, what phase in the waterfall model involves coding and converting the design into a functional program? My answer is testing phase. The correct answer is implementation phase. Next, what model is better suited for projects that require rapid development and frequent updates? So this model that requires frequent update is Agile model, which is I'm correct. Two correct. Next, what Agile methodology focuses on short sprints lasting 1 to 4 weeks? So my answer is Kanban. Scrum pala, sorry. Next is, what phase in the waterfall model involves creating architectural and detailed design? Detailed design means system design. Yes, I'm correct, system design. Then last, what software development model relies heavily on customer feedback throughout the process? Basta may customer feedback throughout the process, alam ko na yan, ang sagot is Agile model. So that's it guys. That's it for today's video. See you in my next vlog.